Hello, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button and remembering that notification bell because that way you'll be reminded when I upload a video. My name is Jenny and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and what I will be doing is pairing some Dollar Tree items with my Cricut Joy to create some really nice back to school items. So if you want to see what I came up with, keep watching. So the boys are back in school now, and while I was out doing the back to school shopping, I popped into the Dollar Tree, found some of their back to school items, and I went into Cricut Design Space and found some cool images, added some text, and I was able to create some really simple and easy personalized back to school supplies for the boys. They really liked them. I think they came out really cute. This was a really fun, simple, and easy project. The boys was involved because I wanted to make sure that I found images that they like, and they thought this was really cool. So what a nice way to elevate some Dollar Tree items. For all of these supplies today, I use my phone to go into the Cricut Design Space. I search for different images. I added texts to them, and I just wanted to add some really cool images and text to these supplies just to elevate them. So my first project, I am going to add this cute little vine that I found in images, add the text, let mom sign it, and I'm going to transfer this to a clipboard that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So in my mom bag, I like to carry a clipboard. So when I go on doctor's appointments or meetings at the schools, I will have my own clipboard to use. And so I thought I'll print something, find a cute image, add it to the clipboard just to, elevate it a little bit. And for the projects today, the machine I'll be using is my Cricut Joy, and Cricut was so kind enough to send me this machine. I love it. It's portable, easy to use, and I love that I can use the smart vinyl. I'll be using the black vinyl as well as the white vinyl for this project, and you don't need the matte for the smart vinyl, so I'll just be loading it into the machine. And so here's my little clipboard that I'm going to be using from the Dollar Tree. What I'm going to do is just pull off this sticker. This clipboard do have the little piece where you can hang it at the top. And so now what I'm going to do is just use my transfer tape, which I already applied, over my text and image. And I'm just taking this little Cricut tool to rub over it. Sometimes you have to go over it a few times just to make sure that it transfers over. And so I'm just going to place this right at the bottom in the center of this clipboard. Take my little tool again to go over it. And then that's pretty much it. Just a cute way to elevate a Dollar Tree clipboard. And I'm just going to add this to my mom bag. The next thing I got from the Dollar Tree was these notebooks. Now, I thought this was a really cool idea to take these dollar notebooks and add some images and some text from those. So what I'm going to do is go over my text and my image, which I already placed my transfer tape on top, and I'm just taking the Cricut tool to go over it, and I'm going to place this right on top. And I just found in the images, hitting the books, and then I typed in 2021 to 22 Romel's junior year notes. This was really simple, but I thought this was really cool to upscale one of these Dollar Tree notebooks. And I'm going to create a second one for my 7th grader. So my 7th grader loved games, so I was excited to find this cute little game controller in the images, and I'm just going to transfer this over to the notebook. And then I'm also going to transfer over the text 2021 to 22 7th grade notes. Now these were really simple, but how cute is it to have these personalized, really cute notebooks? And you pick these up from the Dollar Tree for $1, add your little text and image, and you can get two really nice notebooks. So I am excited about these, and I am so glad that the boys like them as well. And once I get that last text at the top transferred over, then these are complete. Now, how cute is these two notebooks? I really love them. Even though these projects in today's video was created for back to school purposes, you can recreate these for other reasons around the home. I absolutely love the clipboard. I think it'd be cool for a grocery list. You can find a cute image and design space, add a text, and style this in your kitchen. The notebooks will be great gifts. You can personalize those, add some really cute images, some text, and there you go. All of these projects do not have to be back to school. You can make them your own. And so now I'm going to personalize this water bottle from the Dollar Tree for my 7th grader. And what I did was in the images, I found the image H2O and I'm transferring this over. I did add the text Gin Trails to the top. So this is Gin Trails H2O. This was really simple, cute, and he absolutely loved it. He started using it right away. This turned out to be a really cool water bottle. So now for my next project, I'm going to do my mom bag, and I found this bag here at the Dollar Tree. Now I was going to use my Easy Press and do an iron on, but I found that this vinyl transferred over just as good, and I believe it's because of the way the material of this bag is. But I did have to go over the text a few times to get it to transfer over. Then after I get Proud Mom transferred over, I'm going to add of a 7th grader and a junior in high school. And so, like I said, I did have to go over the texts a little bit more than usual because of the material. So you can use your Easy Press, but it all worked out in the end, and I think the bag came out really cute. And this is the bag that I'm going to use to carry all of my supplies in when I'm going to the doctor's appointments or to meetings at the schools. And what I keep in the bags is like another little pencil pouch, and I keep little pens, pencils, and extra supplies, highlighters, etc. that the boys may need. And so I'm going to put their notebooks in here for now, and I'm also going to put my clipboard in there later. But I absolutely love how it turned out. Just a cute little bag to carry and keep all of their appointments and notes and everything for the school year. I really love how it turned out. This last project, I typed up some simple rules for when they come home, and I'm just going to transfer it over to this Dollar Tree dry erase board. Now the border around this dry erase board looked like paintball splashes, so I'm just going to take my transfer tape, transfer this over, and that is it. I put the rules at the top so I can still use the dry erase board at the bottom. Just 4 simple rules. 1, hang up your backpack. 2, wash your hands and your face. 3, eat a snack, and 4, let's talk about your day. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my video. I hope you enjoy all of these simple and easy back to school supplies and items that you can use for this school year season. Thank you, Cricut, so much for sponsoring this video. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about these back to school supplies? Until next time, my friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.